Hello, I'm Nadia, and we're at the Ciau del Tornavento restaurant in Traiso, which is 7 kilometers from Alba, in the heart of Piemonte. This is our restaurant where you can have lunch or dinner while enjoying this amazing view of the Barbaresco Hills. Our cooking is creative, but that's not all. We use a lot of local products, mushrooms, truffles, and all of the quality foods that our territory has to offer.
Now we will make Seiras ravioli. Seiras is kind of Piedmontese ricotta, ripened in May hay. That is hay that was cut in the month of May, which is particularly fragrant. Ingredients we need for this recipe are egg pasta, cottage cheese, thyme, mountain pasture butter, Parmesan cheese, and some ravioli. We start by preparing a nest with our hay. We'll need it later during preparation, but for the moment let's put it in the water we'll use to boil the ravioli. This will enhance the pasta's flavor. As you can see, the water is changing color. I've already added salt. After we are done with the infusion, we can start cooking the ravioli. While waiting, let's put some butter in a pan. With a little bit of the ravioli water. And some thyme. When the sauce becomes creamy and the ravioli are cooked, drain them and put them in the sauce. This kind of ravioli, which is typical of the Langhe region, is called plain ravioli. The name comes from the verb to pinch. Now it's time to prepare the plates. Place the nest, which we previously boiled, on a plate. A pinch of Parmesan on the bottom should keep it from leaking water, and a little bit of thyme will add aroma to the dish. Now let's take the ravioli and arrange them inside the nest like this. Buon appetito!